My name is Kamya of class 8 from JNV Dindori. Here I am representing the 3D model of drip irrigation. In drip irrigation, the water is supplied by the pipes directly to the roots. Why this water cannot be wasted? This type of irrigation can be beneficial where groundwater level is low. Thank you.
My name is Suranya. I am studying class 7 from JNV Dindori. I am presenting a photosynthesis model. When plant takes sunlight, water and carbon dioxide from air, green leaves make food as carbohydrate and release oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. Thank you. My name is Suranya. I am